Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. The AI Mirage Corridor Digital's quest for realism in video games sparks controversy. Ukraine unleashes AI-powered drones, a game changer in modern warfare. Coca-Cola's AI Brew futuristic flavor divides tasters. Now let's dive into the detail. The AI Mirage Corridor Digital's quest for realism in video games sparks controversy. In their latest video, Corridor Digital attempts to enhance video game characters' realism using AI face morphing technology. Claiming it as the future of gaming graphics, they grafted AI-generated filters onto characters like Nathan Drake and Aloy. However, the attempt backfires, with professionals and gamers criticizing the lack of understanding regarding what truly connects players emotionally. Critics emphasize the significance of intentional design and art direction over excessive detailing. The video's attempt to revolutionize gaming graphics faces strong opposition, questioning the need for AI in an industry already thriving with human creativity. Ukraine unleashes AI-powered drones, a game-changer in modern warfare. In a groundbreaking move, Ukraine's Deputy Prime Minister, Mikhailo Fedorov, revealed a fleet of 2,000 AI-equipped Auto-EVO Max 4T drones deployed at the contact line. These advanced UAVs, part of the Army of Drones initiative, revolutionize warfare by ensuring secure reconnaissance, precise artillery adjustments, and the detection of concealed Russian targets using artificial intelligence. Fedorov emphasized the drone's ability to autonomously identify targets, track them from high altitudes, and relay crucial data for subsequent drone and artillery strikes. This strategic deployment signifies a pivotal moment in modern military tactics, enhancing Ukraine's capabilities on the battlefield. Coca-Cola's AI Brew futuristic flavor divides tasters. Coca-Cola's latest creation, the AI-generated Y3000 flavor, has sparked mixed reactions among taste testers in Washington, D.C. Some praised its exotic notes, comparing it to cherry cola mixed with cotton candy, while others found it reminiscent of medicine, preferring the traditional Coke. Utilizing artificial intelligence, Coca-Cola aimed for innovation, pushing boundaries in flavor experimentation. Surprising many, the AI-generated beverage not only intrigued taste buds but also challenged perceptions, with skeptics conceding that technology might have outdone human-created recipes. This bold step signifies Coke's foray into the future of taste, raising questions about the role of AI in our culinary experiences. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.